Daddy's got you. Daddy's got you, okay? Ready? Okay? Here we go. It's my brave girl, Olivia. I know. Ready? Woo! Wow! Okay. 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 Wow, so big girl. Good job, Olivia. That's my girl. Here's the Rain Man in Japan. Maya. We're in Okinawa. Okinawa. Are we having fun? We're at the beach, swimming. Yeah. And we're with our cousins. Huh. Yeah. You want to stand up?
Hey, look,
Okay.
a 6th class applesauce in the water.
Show everyone you're standing up. Look. Say, I'm standing up.
6th class applesauce.
Say, I'm standing up. Good girl.